Welcome back, machine enthusiasts. Join us as we unveil the legacy and innovation behind Caterpillar's mighty machines, revealing how they've revolutionized not just agriculture and construction, but have become pivotal in shaping our modern world. Stay tuned to discover the extraordinary journey of Caterpillar, from its humble beginnings to its role as a global powerhouse in heavy machinery. Our story begins over a century ago with two visionary men, Benjamin Holt and C.L. Best. It was their pioneering spirit that laid the foundation of what would become one of the most influential companies in heavy machinery, Caterpillar Inc. In 1904, Benjamin Holt, an American inventor and businessman, changed the landscape of agricultural machinery. He patented the first commercially successful track-type tractor, a game-changer in farming and construction. Meanwhile, C.L. Best, another giant in the industry, was making waves with the C.L. Best Tractor Company, specializing in developing crawler tractors and heavy machinery. In 1925, these two giants merged, forming the Caterpillar Tractor Company, known today as Caterpillar Inc., a merger that not only marked the unification of two pioneers, but also the birth of a legacy. Fast forward to the present day, Caterpillar has evolved into a powerhouse in the agricultural sector. With a diverse range of equipment, each piece is a testament to Caterpillar's commitment to innovation, quality, and performance. Take, for example, their tractors. The track tractors, robust and versatile, are perfect for the heavy-duty tasks of plowing, planting, and harvesting. Their wheel tractors, on the other hand, are lighter and agile, ideal for smaller farms and tasks like mowing and baling. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Caterpillar's combines, like the axial flow and conventional models, revolutionize the way farmers harvest, offering efficiency and capacity for all scales of farming. Their seeding and planting equipment, from air drills to row planters, ensures precision in sowing, leading to better crop yields. And the tillage equipment, including plows and cultivators, is designed to prepare the land to its finest, ensuring a perfect bed for planting. Caterpillar's journey from the early days of Holt and Best to today's agricultural giants is a story of relentless innovation and enduring quality. But this is just the beginning. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of these agricultural titans. In the heart of farming innovation, Caterpillar's machinery stands tall. Let's delve deeper into the specifics of these agricultural powerhouses, revealing the models and their unique capabilities. First, the track tractors. The Challenger MT800 series, a line of muscular and robust tractors, epitomizes strength. Equipped with AccuDrive technology, they deliver unmatched power and efficiency, ideal for the most demanding tasks like deep plowing and heavy hauling. On the other side, the MT700 series wheel tractors are a blend of agility and power. Their mobile track system ensures exceptional traction and reduced soil compaction, perfect for precision tasks like seeding and spraying. Caterpillar's Lexion 700 series combines redefine harvesting efficiency. With their advanced APS hybrid system, they optimize throughput and grain quality, making them a favorite for large-scale farming operations. For seeding, Caterpillar's precision planting technology stands out. The integrated system in planters like the ExactMerge series ensures precise seed placement and spacing, leading to uniform crop emergence and higher yields. In tillage, models like the Sunflower 6630 vertical tillage system excel in soil preparation. Their unique design allows for effective soil mixing and residue management, preparing an ideal seabed. When harvest season arrives, the CP690 cotton picker emerges as a champion. It revolutionizes cotton harvesting with its non-stop round module technology, boosting efficiency and reducing downtime. Beyond the fields, machines like the TH357D Ag Handler Telehandler and the 262D3 Skid Steer Loader are versatile workhorses. From lifting heavy loads to precision landscaping, they tackle a multitude of farm tasks with ease. From the fertile fields of agriculture, we now shift our focus to the robust world of construction. Caterpillar, a name synonymous with unparalleled strength in farming, also stands as a pillar in the construction industry. Let's dig into their excavators, such as the 336 and the 320 series, known for their power and precision. These machines are the workhorses of any construction site, adept at everything from earth moving to complex demolitions. Then there are the wheel loaders, like the 950M and the 962M. These loaders are not just about lifting and loading. They represent efficiency and versatility, easily adapting to a variety of tasks with different attachments. Caterpillar's dozers, including the renowned D6 and D8 series, are the masters of grading and land preparation. Their advanced technology, like the CAT grade with 3D system, ensures precision in shaping landscapes. The backhoe loaders, models like the 420 F2 and 430 F2, showcase Caterpillar's commitment to versatility. These machines combine the functions of a loader and an excavator, proving indispensable for smaller projects and urban construction. Caterpillar's motor graders, such as the 140 and 160 series, are the unsung heroes of road construction. With their precision blade control, they play a critical role in creating smooth and level surfaces for roads and highways. But the range doesn't end there. From compactors that ensure solid foundations to telehandlers like the TH357D, which excels in material handling, Caterpillar's construction lineup is as diverse as it is powerful. In the bustling world of construction, time is money, and efficiency is key. Caterpillar construction machines are more than just equipment. They are reliable partners in building the foundation of our future. Every Caterpillar model, from the mighty Challenger tractors to the versatile skid steer loaders, is a testament to the company's commitment to innovation, quality, and efficiency. These machines are not just tools. They are partners in the agricultural journey, designed to meet the evolving needs of modern farming. Caterpillar's commitment to innovation goes beyond just powerful engines and sturdy frames. It's about integrating cutting-edge technology and sustainability into every aspect of their machine. Take, for instance, the Advanced Productivity Electronic Control System, APECS, found in many Caterpillar tractors. This system revolutionizes how power is delivered, ensuring maximum efficiency and fuel economy. It's not just about strength, it's about smart power. In an era where sustainability is key, Caterpillar leads by example. Their machines, like the eco-friendly 336EH hybrid excavator, are designed to reduce emissions and conserve fuel, embodying Caterpillar's commitment to a greener planet. Caterpillar also embraces the future with GPS and automation technologies. Systems like CAT grade control automate tasks, reduce operator fatigue, and ensure precision in every action. This is technology working hand in hand with human expertise. Data management tools like VisionLink help farmers make informed decisions. By monitoring machine health, fuel usage, and productivity, these tools offer invaluable insights, allowing farmers to optimize their operations and reduce costs. But what truly defines Caterpillar is the experiences of those who use these machines. Farmers across the globe attest to the reliability and efficiency of Caterpillar equipment, often citing improved productivity and reduced operational costs. Whether it's the robust performance of the MT800 series in challenging terrains, or the precision of the exact merge planters in seeding, each Caterpillar machine plays a crucial role in the success of modern agriculture. In the vast fields and on the rugged terrains, Caterpillar's machines stand as a symbol of human ingenuity and environmental stewardship. They're not just building a legacy of strength, they're forging a future of sustainable and efficient farming. As dawn breaks over fields worldwide, Caterpillar machines wake up to a new day of farming challenges. But what does the future hold for this iconic brand in the ever-evolving world of agriculture? At the heart of Caterpillar's future is relentless innovation. In their state-of-the-art research and development facilities, engineers and scientists are already shaping the next generation of agricultural machinery. Imagine tractors and combines with advanced AI capabilities, capable of making real-time decisions, optimizing field operations, and even predicting maintenance needs. This is not science fiction. It's the future Caterpillar is building. Sustainability remains a cornerstone of Caterpillar's vision. With a growing focus on renewable energy resources and biodegradable materials, Caterpillar is paving the way for a more sustainable and environmentally friendly approach to farming. Caterpillar's impact transcends beyond machines. Through global partnerships and initiatives, they are empowering farmers in developing countries, providing technology and training to enhance agricultural productivity and livelihoods. From the vast wheat fields of North America to the rice paddies of Asia, Caterpillar's presence is felt. Each machine, a link in the chain of global food production, plays a vital role in feeding the world. At its core, Caterpillar's future is about its customers. By continuously adapting to the needs of farmers, offering robust support and service, Caterpillar ensures that its machines are not just tools, but partners in the agricultural journey. As we gaze upon these giants of agriculture, it's clear that Caterpillar is not just keeping pace with the times. They are leading the charge. With each innovation, each advancement, they are ensuring the future of food security and sustainability on our planet. As our journey at GigaGear Galaxy concludes, we thank you for joining us in exploring the fascinating world of agricultural and construction machinery. If you're as passionate about these mechanical giants as we are, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us delve deeper into these industrial marvels.